So to remove this Volvo seat, first thing I need to do is to remove the plastic covers that cover the bolt up. Now just inside this runner about here, and the one you need, there's a hole. You need something that's got a small end on it, and if you push in the hole to release the plastic clip, that's the clip there, the little button that you push in, and then you can slide the cover off. And it's the same on the other side. So it's the same on this side. Push in and then slide forward, and it just pops off. And you'll see the two bolts. There's one here and obviously one on the other side. And they're a strange size. They're 14mm. So I now need to remove the seat belt. So the seat belt is attached to the seat via this bolt down here, and that is T50. And then the seat belt just comes out. So now I'm going to move into the back. So the covers in the back just pull straight off. Just like that. And again, another 14mm bolt here and one on the opposite side. So I've now dropped the seat. I'm going to tilt it backwards. And I can now get to the cables. So to release the cables, you have to unscrew this socket here. That's a 7mm. And the whole thing just pops off in one. So that's the cable's off. It's just one big plug, and that's the bolt you unscrew, and it just pops off. So I can now drop the seat. I'm going to protect the car before I take it out. So I'm protecting the centre console, and also I'll protect the sill of the car. And then I can lift, tilt, and slide the seat out.